Welcome back students in this new session of grammar, and today we are going to discuss an important point from the grammar, that is the gender. Yeah, now what's the gender, which kind of genders are there, and how to identify with its definition we are going to discuss in this lesson. Then let's move. The noun gender. Gender comes under the category under the lesson noun. Now, what is a noun? Firstly, we are going to see that. A word used to identify any of class of people, places or things, common noun, or to name a particular one of these proper noun. Naming words are called as the noun. Now, for example, school, OCS colleges, cow, pen, Dr. Arsenio P. Novistiris PhD, hospital. These are the few examples, and these examples only we have to write as a category wise of gender. Yeah. Then how many kinds are there of genders? Four types of gender nouns. Which four kinds are there? Which four types are there? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Do you want to understand what is masculine, what is feminine, what is common and what is neuter? What are the definitions of these? What are the examples of these? Then let's move for our first gender, that is the masculine gender. Nouns that tells about male sex, which comes under the category of male, belongs to masculine gender. Like for example, man, lion, hero, boy, king. Lion spelling we can write it Lion. Man, lion, hero, boy, king. These are the few examples which comes under the which category? Male sex category, and male sex category comes for the masculine gender. See few examples now in the sentence. The boy has a sheep named Sky. Yeah, that boy is having the sheep and that sheep name is Sky. But boy comes under the which gender? That is the male gender. Okay, that is called masculine gender. He owns a good few ram. Okay, that ram comes under the which category? Masculine category. Now let's see the feminine gender. What is the feminine gender? Students, you are going to write definition and examples in the notebook. Masculine gender's definition, example. Feminine gender's definition and examples. Then nouns that tells about female sex. Now feminine comes for the female, masculine comes for the male. M for male, F for female, sex. Belong to feminine gender. For example, like woman, cow, hen, girl, queen, actress. We will see these examples now into the example of sentence. The girl is riding on a horse. Then this girl's underlined word comes under the feminine category, that is a feminine gender, female. The mare runs fast as she can to win. Yeah, this mare come also in the under the category of feminine, female. Okay, now we are going to see next of common gender. What is the common noun? Common comes for the together for the male as well as female. Common gender refers to member or species that can be male or female. It can be male also, it can be female also. We don't get the exact idea of that. Like teacher. For example, teacher. Now in teacher, male teacher is also there, sir is also there, female teacher also there, madam is also there. That's why this common teacher comes under the common gender. Child. Now in the child, boy also come, girl also come. That's why child also comes as the common. Worker. There will be lady worker or there is men worker. Friends. We have the lady friends also, men friends also. That's why this friend is also comes under the common gender. Cousin. Now under the cousin, you have the sister also, you have the brother also. That's why cousin also comes under the common gender. Neighbor. In the neighborhood, man can also live, woman can also live. That's why feminine as well as masculine, when it comes under the one word only, it comes for the common gender. For example, a teacher doesn't have to be smart. Okay, then teachers comes for the which gender? Common gender, because teacher can be male, teacher can be female. The doctor seemed tired and in a hurry. Now underline word doctor, because the doctor can be male, man also, or the doctor can be female, woman also. This is why we say doctor as a common gender. Common means understood then? Common which can come for male or female for the both category. Now see the example: masculine boy, feminine girl, neuter car, man, woman, table, father and son, mother and daughter, boat, grandfather, grandmother, tree, king, queen, house. But what is neuter gender? You have seen the examples of neuter gender: car, table, boat, tree, house. But what is the exact definition of that? We will see it first. Neuter gender or neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. There we can't say he, there we can't say she. He means male, she means female. Then here we can't apply for the he also or she also for the neuter gender. These are neither male nor female. Like book, book we can't say it is a male or female. Yeah, table, pen, gold, school, rock, these are usually non-living things. All means most of the non-living things comes under the neuter gender, means we can't consider, yeah, segregate this neuter gender for male or for female category. That's why it is called as the neuter gender. For example, the scissors are not sharp. Now these scissors are male or female? Don't know, both are not there. Male is also not, female also not there. That's why it comes for the neuter gender, and scissor is non-living thing. This glue does not adhere to plastic. Yeah, glue, underline word is glue. Glue is also not coming under the male or female. It's a non-living thing. That's why it comes for the neuter gender. Get it, student? Now see the all four examples. Masculine refers to names of boys and men like father, son, priest, uncle, rooster, host, king, hero. Feminine refers to names of girl or woman, aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, niece. This all comes for the feminine. Now common. Common means which can come for masculine or feminine. Refers to names of both girls and boys like doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager, singer. And last one is neuter, which we can't consider as a male or female. It comes only for the non-living things. Refer to names of things or object: eraser, shoes, chocolate, car, desk, bus, book, pants. This all comes under the neuter category. Then do you understand the students' genders? Masculine as a male, feminine as a female. Common means which comes commonly for the male or female, and neuter means which comes for the non-living things. Understood, students? Now thank you so much and take care.